Welcome to the Timesaver Calc for Tax walkthrough, Part 5, using the P45 calculator. When an employee leaves their job, they receive a P45 from their employer. The reason for this is so when they start a new job during the same tax year, they can give the P45 to their new employer, so the employer knows how much tax the employee has already paid. Let's say a monthly paid employee left employer 1 at the end of April 2017 after earning £3,000 with the tax code 1150L. They paid a total tax to date of £408. Employer 1 can use the P45 calculator to make sure this form is filled in correctly before giving it to the leaver. Let's check this. You can access the P45 screen from its tab at the top of the screen. Enter in the tax year, tax code, frequency, month or week number, total pay to date, and total tax to date that you have on record. Clicking Calculate shows these figures are correct, but what happens if they're wrong? Let's put the tax off by -£1 and click Calculate. A pop-up message appears. The calculated result is £1 higher. If this happens, employer 1 has the opportunity to rectify the problem before filling in the P45. Now let's look how employer 2, the new employer for the rest of the 2017-18 tax year, uses the P45 given to them by the employee. Let's say the employee is a starter in May and has a pay rise now, earning £4,000 a month. Employer 2 would enter period 2 and the values from the P45 into the brought forward column on the payslip screen. Now clicking Calculate does a cumulative calculation on tax, producing the correct figures. £608.20 tax is deducted. Although, because now we are doing a cumulative calculation, tax would have added the missing £1 to pay period 2 if we had entered incorrect values from the P45. £609.20. But as this could have been a recording error, the employee may end up paying more or less tax that would then never be resolved. So it is important for employer 1 to make sure the P45 information is correct. I hope this helps you understand the importance of the P45. In the next video, we will have a quick look at how to do net to gross calculations.